Today we're going to learn the bass part of World Peace. That's the part I was playing last time. You're going to learn the teacher part. So last time we were playing just on black keys. And we're still mostly going to be playing on black keys today. The first one we're going to need with your left hand, one finger. You're going to find the 3 black key group and place your one on the lowest black key in that group. So the one on the left side, okay? Now, once you've placed that finger, this is what the rest of your hand does. That curved hand shape, you're just gonna rest all your fingers and find keys to rest them on. Now your right hand, one finger, is also going to find a 3 black key group, just the one right above it that the left hand's on, and go to the bottom of the 3 black keys. And then, once it finds it, we're going to take the rest of our right hand fingers and just kind of rest them. So you'll notice some of my fingers are resting on black keys, some of my fingers are resting on white keys. It's just where they landed, okay? Now your thumbs, your one fingers in both hands, should both be on the bottom of 3 black keys. So the left side of the 3 black keys. This note is called G flat. And it's because G is the very next white key to the right. So this is G flat, like it got flattened and so it went down a little bit. Alright, now to play the first pattern of this teacher part, I'm going to use my left hand and my right hand at the same time. But this is a little empty, so I'm going to add my 5 finger in my right hand. My 5 finger is on the bottom of the 2 black keys. That's just where it landed. And if yours didn't, go ahead and adjust it to find the bottom of the 2 black keys. So I'm going to play G flat and the bottom of the 2 black keys in my right hand together at the same time, both notes. And then my left hand is going to play and hold its G flat. And it's going to go like this. It's going to go together, and then right hand continues 4 times total. So it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to add a touch of pedal. The way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to take my right foot and I'm going to put my heel in front of the pedal, and then when it's time to play together, I'm going to take my toes and put them onto the pedal and push it all the way down. And it's going to sound like this. You can kind of see my leg move as it gets ready to pedal. 1, 2, ready. This is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that together. Get your right foot next to the pedal. Your heel should be in front of the pedal though. So your foot will kind of look like this. And then when it's time to play hands together, you're going to take your toes and pivot them over onto the pedal and push it all the way down. 1, 2, ready, go. Pedal. 1, 2, 3. Do that again, but keep the pedal down. 1, 2, 3. Do it a third time. 1, 2, 3. And a 4th time. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to pause here. At this point, we're kind of ready for a change. So the next part of the pattern, notice that your left hand, 3 finger, is near the top of the 2 black keys. So the one on the right side of the 2 black keys, that's where your left hand 3 finger is. If it's not, just go ahead and adjust it. But this one is called E flat, and it's the very next black key down from G flat. And the reason it's called E flat is because the very next white key to the right is an E. So it's like somebody flattened the E down a little bit. Alright, now your right hand could stay here, but I think it gives it too jazzy and intense of a feeling. So we're going to move the right hand 1 down to the next black key. Now, the rest of your hand has to follow, so watch my hand. When I move my 1, watch what happens to the rest of my hand. It just went along with it, okay? So we're going to move 1 down to the very next black key, which we learned is E flat, because if we look, E is the very next white key to the right of it. Now, when we moved our hand, our 5 finger in our right hand ended up 2 black keys away. The top of the 3 black keys, or the black key on the right end of the 3 black keys. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to come in together on E flats with the right hand adding its 5 finger. And again, if your 5 finger isn't on it, just go ahead and adjust it to where it is, okay? And once we play them together, left hand's going to just hold down its note, while right hand continues pulsing its 2 notes, okay? And again, we'll have pedal down as well. So let's put that together first without pedal. 1, 2, now on the E flats. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's add our pedal. So again, your foot would have already been down, so you can go ahead and put it down on the pedal because we're in the middle of the piece now. And when we play together, right after you hear those notes, you're going to take your toes and you're just going to pop up and come right back down. So you'll play it together, and then your toes go up, down. Your heel stays on the ground, so it ends up looking like that, if this is my heel. Okay? Alright, so pedal down. Hands ready to go on the E flats, with the right hand adding its 5 finger above. And once we play together, pop those toes up, pop them back down. You'll hear the sound clear. And you're going to continue with the right hand. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Together, pedal, 2, 3. Do it again. Together, pedal, 2, 3, 4. Together, pedal, 2, 3, 4. Together, pedal, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back to our G flat pattern. Your left hand just needs to put its 1 down. Your right hand will actually need to move. And remember, you're moving the 1 finger up to the next black key, and then the rest of your hand is just following. So let's practice that move. And then go back to E flat. Practice that move again, back to G flat. Go back to E flat. And then practice that move again to G flat. Alright. Now that's the whole pattern. Let's put it all together. We're going to do the G flat pattern 4 times total. Okay? And then after the 4th time, we're going to switch to the E flat pattern. And remember, it's just the very next black key down. And then after 4 times, we'll go back up to G flat. Okay, here we go. Get your foot to the side because this is the beginning. Heel should be in front of the pedal. And then your 1s are placed on G flats, the bottom of the 3 black keys. Other fingers are relaxing. And right hand, you're playing your 1 and your 5 finger on black keys. There's 2 black keys in between them. 1, 2, ready, play together, together and pedal. 2, 3, 4, together, 2, 3. 3rd time, together, 2. Now after this 4th time, we're going to move. 4th time, move down to the next black key in the right hand, to E flat, 2, 3, 4, together, pedal, 2, 3, 4, together, pedal, 2, 3. Last time, we're going to move back to G flat, 2, 3. Right hand moves back up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Together, pedal, 2, 3, 4. Together, pedal, 2, 3. Back down to E flat. Together, pedal, 2, 3, 4. Together, pedal, 2, 3, 4. pattern, let me show you some things that you can even improvise the teacher part with. So instead of doing the right hand notes at the same time, you could make them take turns. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Go ahead and try that with me. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Another one you can try, and I'm going to show you all these on G flat, is very similar, alternating kind of. 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5. Try it with me. 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 5. Now, this other one, if you're ready for a change, a real change, is you can take your left hand. This is kind of advanced because you got to be able to move around the keyboard really well, but copy the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now they're both doing 1s and 5s on the same notes. 2, 3. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can do that, you can also do this. So you can use these same notes, the 1 and then where the 5 was, but look, I'm going to use my 2 so that I can go up to the next G flat. And I can do something like this. I'm going to take left hand, put it back to normal. So it goes 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2. Try it with me if you can. 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2. Those are just some ideas to get you started, but you could go through and just do it the way we learned it to.